Hey guys, this is Casey with Happy Trails Products. We are coming back again with another video on the 2022 KLR650. Again, this is the adventure model. If you're not following this series, you might subscribe to the channel. We're doing a lot of R&D for different products. Right now we're working on a skid plate. We've got the luggage racks, as you can see right here, are complete and ready for sale. We're going to be working on a skid plate right now, and then we're also going to be working on a center stand after that, and then after that likely crash bars. So today, however, we are going to do an install of a LeoVinci slip-on exhaust, and I want to thank LeoVinci for providing us with this exhaust so that we can check it out and see how the fit works on the 2022 KLR. And so we're going to go ahead and do that install video for you now, and we'll see how it turns out. All right, so it looks like what you have to do on the plastic is you just kind of have to bend that little tab down out of there, and then it pops out, and 3 bolts on the side plastic. All right, so the next step to get the existing pipe off, right underneath your air filter box, you've got this collar down here, Allen, and that's going to allow you to slip off the current exhaust. And then the current exhaust also has, if you can see, that bolt right there, and then there's one just slightly forward right there. So 3 bolts to get the existing exhaust off. So on these 2 bolts on the back of the pipe, the nuts are on the inside. You cannot get to these on the outside because of the heat shield is in the way. So just remove the nuts off the inside and get the pipe off that way. All right, so we're gonna unbox this exhaust here and see what we've got. And this is the same exhaust that they make for the E model. And A model? Yep. This works for all KLRs then, okay. All right, so here's your clamp, your exhaust tube there, and then you got your baffles and your screen here. And then we've got the pipe itself. There's another clamp, which looks to be a little bent, but it's pretty pliable, so it just goes right around the pipe. And then we got a new clamp for the where it comes into the head pipe up there. Stickers, product registration, and that's everything in the box. So let's get this pipe out and take a look at it here. There we have it. All right, let's get this guy installed. All right, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and take the end of the pipe off here, and we're gonna put a different baffle in there with the screen. Yeah, so the screen is a spark arrestor for if you're gonna do any off-road riding at all, that is required. So when we run these bolts back in that we just took out, we're going to put some anti-seize on those to alleviate the possibility of stripping those out, since it's stainless steel on stainless steel. So I'll explain kind of the difference between these baffles that you can run in there. The one that we took out, you can see, has this on it that gets in the way of the spark arrestor. You can't run the spark arrestor with this one. They also have a shorter baffle that you can run without a spark arrestor. This is going to be a lot louder, a lot. When I say a lot louder, I mean a lot louder. And then you have these that are just kind of a little bit more closer to flush on the end that you can run with the spark arrestor. I'm not going to run this one because this is also the louder of the baffles. We're going to run this longer one, and what I've done actually in the past too is I've drilled a couple extra holes in this to get a little bit more sound out of it, but just the stock with these holes in it is plenty sufficient as far as sound goes. And then here's the spark arrestor that will go on over that, just like that. And then we have the cap here for the back, and then a gasket there like that. So we'll go ahead and put that on there and get that ready to go on the bike. All right, so this card that comes with the pipe is just your registration card. So you can scan the QR code on here and that'll take you to the website so you can register your pipe to ensure that your warranty is activated. All right, so if you can see this, let me focus in on that. Here's kind of your installation roadmap here. So you're going to put this kind of double bolt clamp in the towards the front of the bike, and each clamp gets a spacer, washer, nut, and then on this side you've got this kind of special washer slash spacer here with the long bolts that bolt all the way through, and then you're going to have this sort of tensioner here. They give you a special tool to pull this on with, and then you have your clamp down here once you slip that into the head pipe. All right, so that's it for the install. Pretty straightforward. So now on to the audio test.